rule, right? But I have to say that in my business life, we already passed through 5 crises. Kasi every decade may crisis eh. Kaya medyo hasa sa business crisis. Diba, like in my youth, nagkaroon ng dollar moratorium. Currently, diba? I think that was one of the most difficult crises. Tapos, syempre, nagkaroon din ng mga dot-com bust, nagkaroon din ng financial recession in 2008, right? And then, of course, let's not forget about the Asian financial crisis, diba? Yes, that one, right? And so, isip na namin this last decade, wow, 1 decade, walang crisis. Tapos, 5 decade, malaking crisis. So, that's a very good point. Every 10 years, every decade, meron yes. Consciously, deliberately, dinidiscuss ko ba yan sa board na mag-aanda tayo dahil mayroon tayong dapat na asahang problema? I think yung pagdadaanan mo kasi yung crisis, the way you run your company, pinapantayan mo yung risk. So you always in the back of your mind, you always ask yourself, kung ganito mangyari, kaya ba natin? So,
Mika,
be a little bit more conservative, and then also be more diversified. Kasi makikita natin, pag may crisis, sometimes, some companies continue to do well.